In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple automated to-do list in Monday.com. This process is quick, taking only about 5 minutes of your time, and I'll walk you through each step to ensure it's as seamless as possible. To start, head over to Monday.com in your web browser. You'll want to log in, so find the login button located in the upper right corner of your screen. Clicking this will lead you to the sign in options. You have a choice here. You can either sign in using Google or enter the email address associated with your Monday.com account. If you choose the Google option, simply select the email address you'd like to use from the list that appears. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard where it's time to locate the workspace you'll be working on. Look towards the left hand side of your screen for your workspaces. Here, click on the plus sign to add something new, which in this case will be a board. This is pivotal as creating a board sets the foundation for your to-do list. Once the board creation window pops up, rename the board to to-do list. Naming boards clearly can help keep your workspace organized and easily accessible. Next, click Create Board. With this, your new board will materialize on the screen and it's time to personalize it further. Click on the group title, which you can find in one of the sections on your board. Rename this section to To-Do List as well. This helps keep your tasks grouped properly under a single category, making it easy to follow. Now you might see some default items in your table. Click the checkbox next to any default items to select them, and then hit the delete button at the bottom of your screen to clear them out. This step ensures you start fresh with your own tasks. To add a task, click on the option that says Add an Item, enter the task you need to list, and when you're done, just press Enter. This will add your task to the list. Fill out the table by clicking into the blank spaces available and add relevant details much like a spreadsheet. You can include details like who the task is assigned to, the due date, and the current status of the task. Having these columns will facilitate tracking the progress of each task effectively. If you need to add more structure to your list, you can add more columns. To do this, look to the right side of the current columns and click the plus sign. Here you can add any additional categories you might need for your task tracking purposes. By following these steps, you should have a fully functional to-do list that helps streamline your workflow on Monday.com. Now you can stay on top of your tasks more effortlessly.